How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. Where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. This Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Nut Hut. I am back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. And yes, I am back again showcasing another unit that is available for immediate stay in our Tinytel. Due to the high demand that we've been receiving on these bookings coming from this particular series on the Tiny Home Tuesday channel, I'm back to you again very quickly with this home behind me by the name of the Nut Hut. And if you're subscribed like you should be, then you already know what the Tinytel is. If it's your first time getting to see little old me here on these videos, then I'm going to explain it to you real quick. Here at Recreational Resort Cottages, we decided to partner with Hidden Forest Lake Tiny Home Communities in Campbell, Texas, where we put our money where our mouth was and decided to come out with over 10 individual floor plans that you can stay in more of an Airbnb style visit, where you can book your nightly, weekend, or weekly stay so you can see if the tiny home lifestyle suits you. And we've also went to the drawing boards and created the Try and Buy program. We're very innovative here at Recreational Resort Cottage because we listen to you. And a lot of you from all over the country reach out and say, Mr. Tiny, I want to go tiny, but I need to see if it's really possible before I put my hard-earned money into purchasing one of your lovely tiny homes. Well, here with the Try and Buy program, what we've allowed you to do is if you book a stay for a tiny home that we have in this particular Tinytel, after your stay, if you purchase within 30 days, then your entire stay is comped up to 3 nights. So all you have to do is hit the description box of this video, hit the link, and you can view some of the Tinytel options that you have to choose from. You can also contact me directly, and I've got a special promo code. If you listen at the end of the video, I'll tell you how to get it so you can get some additional savings during your stay. But starting here, let's get back to the Nut Hut that I'm at today. On the exterior of this home, you'll see it's a beautiful coffee house exterior siding. We've paired that with a Galvalume metal roof. We've added the addition of the coffee house lap skirting on this model, as well as the permanent stairs that you'll see here with the black painted rails, tops and bottoms, and we've complemented that with the tortoise brown composite Trex decking with these permanent stairs. Every unit here in the Tinytel will come with permanent stairs, so you can see a variety of styles and options that you may envision for your tiny home after it's delivered to your wonderful property. You'll also notice this home features a garlic clove exterior trim around your doors, windows, as well as the beam and crow's foot. It also boasts this 6-foot exterior rear porch. Follow me up onto this porch and you'll see how much space that you have to accompany this tiny home during your stay. As you come up onto the porch, you'll see that you have 2 exterior can lights. It's already wired and braced for a ceiling fan. You'll see this decking here offers ample space and opportunity for you to relax and hang out, nestled within the trees here at the tiny home and the Tinytel right here located in Hidden Forest Lake Tiny Home Communities. Now, each individual Tinytel will be equipped with a keypad on each door, and you'll get your individual keyless entry upon arrival. So that way you've got the added security that you know and love right here, so you can have a home away from home. Now follow me inside the Nut Hut and we'll see why this may be the perfect model for you. I feel if you're currently in the market and you're interested in a 15 wide tiny home with a loft, this will be the option that I would think is one of the few to choose from that will stick out to you. Starting right here in the main living area, you'll see you're able to fit a large size sofa right here in the living area with plenty of space, whether you want to enjoy this visit and this stay by yourself, or you want to bring friends or family. This is an option that you all can sit down and enjoy some space. You have the windows right here where you can gaze out onto the treed property out beside you. You also have the clear story window up above, bringing in the natural light, and you can see that you actually have trees overhanging the top of this home, so it feels like you're really within the nut hut. Exactly, because there's a lot of you'll see nuts and things like that that's falling around the acreage here, so kind of brings that whole vibe to life. And you'll see as we go through the home, you'll see the decor is going to match that as well. And each home in the Tinytel is going to be equipped with smart TVs where you can make the smart decision and pick a great channel such as the one you see here to view during your stay. It's also equipped with an entertainment center here down below. Each home located in the Tinytel will have the information booklet upon your arrival where you have everything from a list of the amenities that are featured in the individual home as well as the Wi-Fi code, because you know even when you're out enjoying a nice relaxing staycation or vacation, you still want to know what that Wi-Fi code is. You got me? We also have right here the 36-inch blinds and glass front door where you can see firsthand how you love or enjoy this particular styling of door. So you may choose to include that in your home upon purchase. Also have an additional window here bringing in some natural light. You have the kitchen over here where you'll see the gray painted cabinetry. You're going to have the linen right here to the side where you'll have, again, we've got some blenders right there. We have additional pots and pans. Each Tinytel is going to be equipped for your stay with coffee makers, utensils, everything that you need to cook and enjoy this home and make it feel like yours. You'll see the countertop here pairs so lovely with the 2-basin stainless sink, window up above so you can gaze out onto the property if you happen to be doing any dishes during your stay. We have the additional drawer bank where you're going to have all the additional spoons, forks, knives, everything that you'll need there. Smooth top electric oven. You got the microwave up above, side-by-side fridge. Let's get a good shot of this loft here in this model where we have the gray tops and bottoms right there with the paired rebar railing that complements that gray to your gray painted cabinets going throughout the home. And this offers additional sleeping space. Again, if you choose to bring your friends, family, or loved ones with you, they can enjoy this tiny home lifestyle as well. We'll make our way on back. You'll see here, this offers additional shelving right here for additional storage or decor during your stay. Also, we'll make our way into the bathroom. We have the big cabinet here, linen cabinet. You got your makeup towels there, your traditional towels there that you can utilize during your stay. Additional drawer bank down below. Everything's going to be equipped here with ample space for you to utilize, whether you're brushing your teeth, washing your face, doing all those things that you would normally do staying at home. You're just doing it in 399 square feet. Have another window here, so while you're in the bathroom, you can still get the beautiful views that we offer here in the Tinytel. This particular model is going to feature the 48-inch fiberglass shower that you'll see here. Again, just because we have the loft up above doesn't mean that you're height restricted. Again, I'm 6'1". You can see you have still additional spacing there to utilize this during your stay. Now, follow me on out. We'll make our way into the bedroom downstairs. And you'll see here, as soon as you come in, you're going to see that we have a queen size bed featured in this model. What you'll see in this particular model is the fact that if you're doing a queen, you have more than enough space on each side for the nightstands. This is also a popular model that you can upgrade to a king size bed if you choose and still have enough space to accommodate the nightstands as well. You have a window here off the back side, and we also have another smart TV right here where you can again make that smart decision and watch some beautiful content during your stay. This particular nut hut, hey, will drive you nuts for the fact that you have enough space in this model with this walk-in closet to bring all your wardrobe during your stay. If you like me, I pack heavy. I don't believe in packing light. So with that said, I'm bringing everything. I want outfits for all occasions. So you can do the same right here in the Nut Hut. We've got your laundry basket right there below. For your convenience, we also have additional blankets and linens there for you. And follow me on out, and we'll make our way back through the Nut Hut. And what we'll do is get a good look of this open riser staircase that leads up to the loft. You'll see that we have the gray stain on that as well. And you follow me up to the loft so I can showcase why the Nut Hut is a great option if you're interested in a lofted model. And now we're in the loft of the Nut Hut. If you can see, if you're up top, it feels like you're in a tree house right here with these clear story windows on each side of the loft, which you're going to get a tree style view from up here. And this is great because you're also going to have the additional queen size mattresses on each side of the loft. And you can see how much space you still have even with these large mattresses up here. So this right here gives you the first-hand look on how you can specifically utilize this loft to your liking. This particular Nut Hut is going to be equipped with carpet in the loft to make it very easy to get around. Again, if you're subscribed like you should be, you know these models are 399 square feet, and there are height restrictions that have them to meet RV code. So we can only keep these lofts around 4.5 feet at maximum. So you're not walking around up here, but when you have the carpet, it makes it a lot easier to get from one side to the other. And you'll see whether you are, again, making a solo trip or you're bringing guests with you, there's going to be plenty of space here for everyone to enjoy the tiny home lifestyle. If you want to take a look at my favorite feature is the feature of the view from the loft to the rest of the home, where you can see and really take in how much 399 square feet has to offer. I know you get tired of hearing me say 399. It's so important because every foot in that 399 square feet makes a difference. And you'll see here firsthand if you choose to book your stay in the Tinytel. Now, if you enjoyed this particular video as well as this series of the Tinytel homes that I'm showcasing, hit that like button, please, so that way we can continue to produce these videos and keep them coming out each and every week. Again, if you want to book your stay in the Nut Hut or any other model featured in the Tinytel, all you've got to do is hit that link in the description box of the video to do so. Also, leave your comment down below. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Nut Hut is, and if this is one of your favorite models that we have currently available in the Tinytel. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, so that way you can be part of the family. And if you want to contact me directly about booking your stay in the Nut Hut or purchasing a home exactly like this one, run on over to my Instagram right now at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Nut Hut as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.